gates of heaven, lift up a shout of praise. There is a lion roaring, Jesus the King of glory. So lift your eyes, standing on, standing on. There is one, only one, where my help comes from. There is a King of glory, there is a God who saves, one who is strong and mighty, freedom is in his name. Open the gates of heaven, lift up a shout of praise. There is a lion roaring, Jesus the King of glory. Nations bow, mountains shake at the sound of just one name. Over all, Jesus reigns. I know. There is a King of glory, there is a God who saves, one who is strong and mighty, freedom is in his name. Open the gates of heaven, lift up a shout of praise. There is a lion roaring, Jesus the King of glory. There is a lion roaring, Jesus the King of glory.
Hey, I hope you enjoyed that arrangement of King of Glory by Passion. Shout out to my cajon player Patrick on that one. Leave him some love down in the comments below. If you liked some of those advanced guitar chords that you saw all throughout this arrangement and you want to learn even more of them, I've got you covered. Make sure to check out down in the description below a link to a free PDF I put together called 25 Advanced Guitar Chords. In that PDF, I'll teach you even more of these advanced guitar chords that you can implement into your guitar playing to level up your guitar playing. So check that out down in the description below. Other than that, thanks so much for joining me. Until I see you in the next video, keep leading worship well.